I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decluttering the closet in my husband's home office. This has been long overdue, you guys. When we moved in, we still had boxes that were not yet unpacked, but that is all going to change today. So before we get into this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, turn your notification bell on so you don't miss any uploads, and leave me a comment down below. You know I love talking to you guys. Now, let's get this office closet decluttered. So I'm going to be starting off by removing everything from the closet. That way it is completely empty and I'm able to sort through everything and see what we have in here.
You're all I think about sometimes, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
If this is your first time visiting my channel, I did want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Shan Yvonne and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom to two. I make cleaning motivation videos like this every Sunday and Wednesday, so if that is your thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here as a friend. Take a moment and introduce yourself in the comments. I love talking to you guys and getting to know you.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine, love of mine.
So most of these items are winter clothes like sweaters and sweatshirts, so I'm gonna fold them up and pack them away in these totes that I got from Walmart. Now Walmart did me dirty because they delivered me some totes, but they gave me lids that were way too big. So if you're wondering why I'm not gonna put lids on top, that's why. They did not come with the right size lid, so I had to make it work.
Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes slow, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressing cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna.
So you ever start a project and then you realize how much work you're really gonna have to do to complete the project, and you're like, what did I get myself into today? But I am so glad I went ahead and tackled this project, because every time we would open this closet, I just be like, oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. But I promise you guys, at the end, it's so satisfying to go in there and open the closet and see everything so neat, so organized. So if you have any projects around your house that you've been putting off, go ahead and get it done, you guys. It's so satisfying to see it all come together.
Remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, it's the remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no, darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah. You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing.
Y'all, my son peeked in the door and he was like, oh my gosh, mommy, there's so much stuff in here. And it was just so funny. Kids are so funny. He does not like mess. He is literally just like me.
We got this.
And of course, Sydney had to come in and give me some love as always. She had just woken up from her nap and she was looking like, what is all this stuff that I get to destroy?
Little closer, there's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this.
My husband actually has way more clothes than I do. He just does not wear them because he works from home, so he doesn't feel the need to dress up all the time. I don't know if he really needs any of these clothes this summer, but I told him I'm gonna pack them away and he can come dig them out if he ever needs them.
Saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, never mind. I glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. Love of mine.
So now I'm just hanging up all of the jackets and coats, things that I couldn't fold up and put in the bins, and then I'm gonna be done. This was such a quick and easy project. Well, it wasn't as quick, but it wasn't hard. I actually enjoyed doing it. I like organizing and getting things put together, and these are just clothes that we're gonna donate, the clothes that Sydney has grown out of. All the rest of this stuff is mostly trash or stuff that belongs to my husband, and I am not about that going through his stuff. Like, okay, he can figure out what he wants to do with all his personal items. I'm just gonna fold up his ties and put those in the bins. Y'all, he has too many ties, for real, and he does not dress up, okay? So we should probably get rid of some stuff, but I'm not gonna get rid of it just yet.
It's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby.
This was just a box of hair supplies that I had. I'm gonna take them out of the box and put them into a fabric bin that I already had, just to get it organized and looking neater, because having a box in a closet does not look organized at all, and it looks so much better in this bin.
Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna.
That's how everything looked after I was done organizing and decluttering.
Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot.
If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a like. I really do appreciate you guys for watching these videos and supporting me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you don't miss any of my uploads. Leave me a comment down below. I love to get to know you. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
My tattoos just a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy.